Good morning and welcome to elektrischunterwegs.com, your source for electric mobility, sustainability and more. You may ask yourself, why is it dark outside and why is the guy looking so tired? It's 5:45 in the morning on the first day of the opening of the largest charging park in the EU. And I want to be one of the first people to go and charge there and show you what an incredible thing Roland Schuren of Meinbecker Schuren has built there. So come and join me and let's see what we find. We have just left the A46 in the crossing in Hilden, and I'm gonna show you now how good the charging park in Hilden, the Seed&Greet, is situated, because it's directly in the crossing of the A46 and the A3, which are two of the most used motorways in Germany. We are south of Düsseldorf, about 10 kilometers south of Düsseldorf, about 25 kilometers north of Cologne. And the A3 is one of the most used motorways in Germany, especially in the holiday times. Many people use it to go to where they want a holiday. So now we turn, and you can spot it almost already, because there is a very cool light installation. There you can see it in the back. In front here was the bakery thing, the provisional, and the supercharger. And then we are now going to the new Seed&Greet charging park, which is very impressive, I have to admit that. And we are not alone. Okay, those are the employees, I suppose. Yes, and they have charging already there. That is very impressive. And there is already a Tesla from the Netherlands. So now we go around here, have a look. These are 20 Tesla Superchargers, 8 V2 and 12 V3. There is the Seed&Greet pavilion. There will be additional 20 superchargers built in a later stage, and there will be additionally 8 Fastned chargers. So I will park the car and then we'll be back. So here is my car, 2018 i3. We have 4 Fastned hypercharger with 2 outlets on each. So 8 people are able to charge simultaneously on the Fastned chargers. guy from the Netherlands is sleeping at the superchargers, why not? And then we have the impressive 20 superchargers that Tesla has built here. As I said, there are 12 V3 and further on there are 8 V2. Opening was yesterday evening with politicians and everyone you need to have there. There are the V2 with the 2 charging ports. This is the Seed&Greet thing where you can go and eat and drink and have a good time. Looks very inviting. Everything you can buy here is sustainably sourced. It's and there we have a little pond with the lights. Here is an outside seating area. Yeah, the AF needs a moment. There is the parking space. And here we have the AC charging. 22 kilowatts for 19 cents a kilowatt hour. If you want to charge when the location is closed, you pay the 19 cents per kilowatt hour. If the location is open, you pay a fee of €3.50 and you can charge as much as you want. There are 2 AC stations active at the moment, and there are other 6 AC stations to come. And now I'm gonna show you how to charge on the Fastned hyperchargers. So, I will open my charge port. It's a normal CCS plug. I will take the charge plug, put it in there. It turned blue. It says 20% charged. Gonna switch to English. 14 seconds. And as you can see, it's ramping up. The i3 only has 50 kilowatts, so it's a bit much here on the hypercharger that is able to deliver up to 300 kilowatts. But for the sake of it, when I'm here, let's use it. As promised, I will take you into the Seed&Greet pavilion and show you what you can expect. Everything you see here is sustainably sourced and organic. And the interesting thing is they are growing their own veggies. Salad and basil and stuff. Because this is the seed part of Seed&Greet. This is only a small thing of what is to come, because there will be a 5-story building with a built-in growing thing. So, drinks, freshly baked things, rolls, sweets. And there you see the locally grown salads. They are doing that in another part of the bakery Shirin. And this is quite beautiful, I have to admit that. And there you can check your tire pressure and vacuum your car while it's charging. So it's a bit like a pit stop, only for electric cars. So, thank you for joining in. If you liked what you saw, leave a subscription, leave a like. If you didn't like what you saw, give it a dislike. And if you have questions, leave a comment and I will come back to you. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye.